case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1993, the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York heard the case of Geary v. Goldstein, which dealt with the legal rule that a person can take legal action if their image is used to make money without their permission. The lawsuit was initiated by Angie Geary, who sued the defendants for invasion of privacy and defamation after they created and broadcasted an edited version of a bread commercial she appeared in without her consent. The adapted commercial displayed pornographic images instead of bread, with Miss Geary's image superimposed on them. The defendants argued that their actions were not covered by the privacy statute and that the adaptation did not contain any defamatory statements. However, the court dismissed this argument and allowed Miss Geary's breach of the privacy statute and defamation claims to proceed. Additionally, the court denied the defendants' motion to dismiss the plaintiff's privacy claim alleging false light. The motion was partially granted and denied, and the parties were ordered to complete discovery. If no dispositive motion was filed, they were required to submit a joint pretrial order, law memoranda, voir dire, and charge requests by a specific date, with the trial scheduled to follow.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.